Conclave of higher education ministers from 6 non-BJP ruled states has demanded the immediate withdrawal of the UGC draft regulations, calling them flawed. Now, Congress opposed the regulations, claiming the justification for compliance with the NEP, that is the National Education Policy, was unfounded. The ministers from Karnataka, Telangana, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh and Jharkhand had adopted the 15-point resolution condemning the regulations as draconian. In fact, they have expressed concerns over the limited state role in appointing vice-chancellors, the appointment of non-academics as vice-chancellors and issues with faculty qualifications as well. The ministers also objected to harsh penalties, mandatory by the NEP proposals, the prioritization of private institutions over public ones, and the requirement, of course, of entrance exam for undergraduate courses as well. Listen in.
Individually, we have sent our objections towards the draft resolutions. So, various contentious issues are there where the states' federal rights have been impinged. So, they're trying to threaten in the sense like if you don't follow these, we are going to de-recognize the universities. We are going to not give any grant. So indirectly, they are not directly, rather directly, they are trying to forcibly push the national education policy, which there is a lot of resistance from various states in the country. So hope there will be a collective resistance towards this unconstitutional approach of UGC trying to circumvent the rather take away the powers of the states. Where certain things have been brought in, I think there is a hidden agenda. So I think they are trying to bring in their agenda through the UGC, it looks like. But let's see, time alone will be able to give the answer. Let's wait and watch.
Additionally, Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav are set to participate in a DMK students' wing protest in Delhi today at Jantar Mantar against the UGC's new draft.